Let's be honest. Most people who start publishing AI books on Amazon quit within 3 months. 99%. No, I'm serious. They come in fired up, watch a few tutorials, publish a book or two, and then when they don't see instant results, they vanish. But here's what nobody tells you. They're not quitting because the system didn't work. They're quitting because they never built a system in the first place. And today, I want to show you why most people burn out and how you could be part of the 1% who actually make it. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part 1, the expectation trap. The first reason that most new AI publishers quit is simple. One word. Expectations. They thought that it was going to be fast money. They also thought that AI meant effortless success. The internet made it look easy. Type a prompt, hit publish, and boom, passive income. But real publishing does not work like that. This isn't a slot machine. It's a business. And like any business, it takes testing, strategy, and consistency. The people who stay in the game long enough to figure it out, those are the ones who end up making serious money. If you think that you're going to publish one book and retire, then you're setting yourself up for disappointment. But if you're here to learn, refine, and grow, then you're already part of this 1%. All right, part 2, the burnout phase. The second reason people quit is burnout. They try to do everything manually, researching, prompting, editing, formatting, publishing, all at once. And yeah, it is exhausting. But here's the key. Systems prevent burnout. When you build templates, frameworks, and repeatable steps, publishing becomes predictable. You're not reinventing the wheel every time. You're simply improving it. That's why I always tell my students, don't aim to publish 10 books fast. Aim to build one perfect system that lets you publish 10 books easily. Once you hit that point, you'll never burn out again, simply because it won't feel like chaos anymore. All right, finally, part 3, the mindset shift. Here's the truth. Success in AI publishing isn't about talent. It's about endurance. The ones who win aren't the smartest or the most creative. They're the ones who did not quit when things got tough. When your first book flops, that's not failure. That's feedback. When your second book gets no traction, that's data. And when your third book finally clicks, that's the moment that everything changes. The people making thousands a month right now, they're the same people who got rejected, ignored, and buried a dozen times before they figured it out. They just didn't stop. And that is what separates the 1% from everyone else. So if you're in this game right now, feeling discouraged, don't quit, don't delete your drafts, and don't stop learning. You're closer than you think. The truth is, AI publishing still works. Amazon KDP is still wide open for the people who take it seriously. But if you quit early, you'll never see what is possible for you. Be the one who sticks it out. Build a system, learn the process, and keep on publishing until it clicks. And if you want to shortcut that learning curve, I put my full system, every prompt, every template, and every workflow inside my course. The link is below. Stay in the 1%. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video.